Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be going over our top picks for the best turntables under $500. While there are turntable options out there for less than $100, we think the $300 to $500 range is the best place to start when you're looking for your first turntable. For more information on why you should consider starting in this price range, check out our full article on audioadvice.com to dive deeper into this, as well as our extended list of our favorite turntables under $500. And if you do decide to purchase one of these turntables from us, you'll get our exclusive Audio Advice tips and tricks setup guides. These come straight to your inbox with lifetime support, so you can have the best system for your record collection, optimize it, and keep it running smoothly. Now let's get started. Now, it is worth mentioning that this list is in no particular order. So first up is the Audio-Technica LP120 USB. Now, most of the turntables that are on this list are more for listening to music rather than DJing. But if you are looking for something that can do both, then this is a great option to consider. It has a high torque direct drive motor, and it even comes with a slip mat and an adjustable pitch. A built-in preamp means you don't need a separate preamplifier. The USB output connects directly to your Mac or PC, which makes it really great for DJing, as well as digitizing and archiving your precious vinyl record collection. All right, next up we have the UTurn Orbit Plus. UTurn offers a variety of options on the Orbit, but the version of the Plus that we have in stock at Audio Advice offers some of the best value options with no frills. Made right here in the United States, the table is proudly assembled at UTurn's Woburn, Massachusetts factory. The UTurn Orbit Plus comes with an acrylic platter for a great speed stability. It also comes with an Ortofon OM5E pre-mounted, and the gimbal tone arm features an internal anti-skate and adjustable counterweight. Now, you do get the option of purchasing this table without a built-in preamp, but adding it still keeps the table under $400 and eliminates the need for an external phono stage. Up next, we have the Pro-Ject T1. Now, every year, the T1 continues to make it onto this list ever since it first came out in 2019. That's because the T1, like all of the tables by Pro-Ject, is the result of decades of experience in exceptional turntable design. Fast forward to 2021, and the T1 is now available in several different versions. There's a basic version for $349, a version with a built-in phono preamp for $399, and a Bluetooth version is also on the way. The SB version with the built-in preamp has an electronic speed control to switch between 33 and 45. The T1 benefits from a newly designed isolation foot, a plinth, and subplatter, plus a glass main platter for a good flywheel effect. You'll get an Ortofon OM5E moving magnet cartridge, and the built-in phono stage was designed to perfectly match this cartridge. The new tone arm designed for the T1 is also made to go with the Ortofon OM5E. Now, the best value here is probably the SB version of the T1 with the built-in phono preamp for under $400. Now, for less than $400, the T1 is a great table. Although we have to say, if you can't afford the extra $100, the next step up from here is the newest turntable from Pro-Ject, and that's the debut Carbon Evo. This one gets you a better arm and phono cartridge, and it usurps Pro-Ject's best-selling turntable ever, the debut Carbon DC, and adds many upgrades that vastly improve the sound. Their new XSeries at a much higher price point makes use of thermoplastic elastomers, or TPE, for damping. Now, the new Evo gets adjustable TPE and aluminum feet, a TPE damped platter, a totally different motor mount that isolates both the mechanical and electrical energy, and a brand new cartridge, the Samico Rainier. This phono cartridge tracks incredibly well with a very warm musical sound that simply draws you deeper into the music. With this new model, you even have 9 different color choices to choose from. So I think with these updates, the new Evo is probably the best turntable on the market right now, under $500. All right, now last but certainly not least is the Rega Planner 1. Now at Audio Advice, we absolutely love Rega turntables. In fact, the Rega Planner 3 is our best-selling table that we carry. Now the Planner 1, or P1 as it's sometimes called, is the first in their planner lineup, and it's truly an incredible value. So first, it's one of the simplest and easiest turntables to set up. You just balance the weight onto the tone arm, remove the stylus guard, and you're good to go. We even have a setup video that you can watch if you need help. The P1 comes with the Rega Carbon MM cartridge pre-mounted on Rega's RB110 tone arm. Now Rega typically makes higher end tables, and the P1 is the first model in its range to feature a 24-volt synchronous AC motor with a low noise aluminum pulley. If you're ready for an upgrade down the road, but you don't want to buy a whole new table, a performance pack is also available that includes a reference drive belt, a 100% wool mat, and the Rega Bias 2 moving magnet cartridge. This is a great upgrade path for a starter turntable. Now, at AudioVice, we love vinyl. There's just something about thumbing through the bins, taking a brand new record out of the sleeve, looking at the cover art, dropping the needle, and losing yourself in the rich, warm sound. In the end, you cannot go wrong with any of these tables on this list. They're all great turntables for the money, but it really depends on personal preference mixed in with the need to upgrade parts later down the road without having to buy a brand new turntable. So if you're still on the fence about a table that's best for your needs, head on over to audiovice.com and chat live with one of our turntable experts. They'll be happy to help you out. And we also have a great tips and tricks setup guide to send out to people who purchase from our website to get up and running fast. So if you have any questions, just give us a call or stop into one of our Raleigh or Charlotte, North Carolina award-winning showrooms. We'll be happy to help you find the perfect one for your record collection or the special music lover in your life. In the meantime, thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give this one a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss the latest home audio or home theater content. And we'll see you next time.